I got a mouse problem. And you see, it all started when I built this desk. I built this desk so that way Bruce and I would have a nice place to sit down in the mornings and edit these videos. But editing these videos takes an extremely long time, so I bought this mouse in hopes that I could streamline the process, and it worked. But the new issue is I'm concerned this mouse is going to scratch the beautiful finish that I put on this desk. So I go on Amazon and I search the deepest, darkest corners trying to find a leather mouse pad that would complement my desk, and then I couldn't justify spending $45 on this leather mouse pad, and then I thought, wait, I'm a DIYer. I'm a craftsman. I could build one myself. So that's what we're going to do today. Let's go build a hand-stitched, handmade, custom leather mouse pad. Oddly satisfying about saddle stitching. It's kind of meditative.